Hello guys, thanks for coming back. Today we're gonna be working on this part here. We're gonna have these two buttons here below. The first one for editing the posts and the second one for deleting the actual posts. Okay, first we're gonna create a widget for that and we're gonna call it builds bottom area. It's gonna be a widget. Okay, let's create these widgets now. We're gonna open this shared widgets folder, and here we're gonna create a file for that. Build bottom area dot, just like that. Now here we can import first material package, and after that we're gonna need a stateless widget. Let's give it a name, and the name will be build bottom area, just like that. Now we can just copy paste or just import these widgets, and that's it. Let's like that. Let's save. In our build function we're gonna return a row, just like that, and this one will have children. Now let's create the widgets that will be sitting here in this row. We're gonna call it custom button, just like this, and here we can create this widget, and let's return a container, just like that. We're gonna give it some decoration, box decoration. The color will be kind of amber 100, and here we're gonna need also some border side, so let's say border. Yeah, we're gonna need some border only at the right side, just like that. And so here the color will be, let's say, gray, excuse me, gray, like that. And the width is going to be only 0.2, like that. Let's save and see. Here we don't see anything because inside of our custom button widget we don't have anything. So in order to see our container, our widgets, all we have to do is to add something. So we're gonna say child icon, and here we're gonna give some icon. Let's say edit, let's give it a color, let's say black. Now we can save, and yeah, it's okay. But as you can see here, it's not that beautiful. So to fix that, we're gonna add first here some padding, some vertical padding. I'm gonna say here padding, let's say symmetric, and we're gonna make it vertical only 15, like that. Let's 70, yeah, like that. And here we're gonna come up here and wrap our entire custom button widgets by an expanded widgets, just like that. Now we can save, and yeah, it's okay. So now all we have to do is to duplicate our custom button inside of our raw widget, and everything will be okay. Let's save and see. Yeah, like that. So guys, as you can see here in our bottom area, we have the same icon for both buttons, and we don't want that. So the way we're gonna do that, the way we're gonna change that actually is by passing to our custom button some parameters. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so let's say here in our custom button, we're gonna say icon data, like that, and we're gonna make it required. So it's going to be mandatory for the user to pass these variable like that. We're gonna remove these consts, and here let's say icons edit, and here we're gonna say icons that's delete, excuse me, like that. Let's have and see. Yeah, it's okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate. So in the following video we're gonna be working on the events of these two buttons here. So the first one, this edit button, will be displaying this edit page where the user can actually edit the post as he wants. And also if the user clicks on this delete button there, this pop-up will be showing up on the screen. So like the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if it's not yet done. And I hope I see you in the next one. Peace.